It looks so gorgeous. We got yellow lilies. I'm actually having my first pop-up. ये थोड़ा shiny shiny. And even the longer route has traffic. So much to sort out. It's finally pop-up day. This is my outfit. Setting it up. My friends are over there helping me out. I'm going back with just 2 boxes. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to a new vlog. Sorry that there is no story time this week. It'll be up next week because I'm really busy this week. So as a compensation, I'm posting this vlog. I'm actually having my first pop-up. I have a jewelry brand this weekend, which is Saturday and Sunday. You'll be watching it on Tuesday, but it's happening on Saturday and Sunday. So I'm just going out to buy some things for the pop-up. Sean is also with me. He's going to the office and he's dropping me on the way. So I'll just go get some things that is required. We went to Sokarpet yesterday to buy some things, but I totally forgot that I had to vlog, so that's not there, but I'm starting from today. And yeah, also as soon as I woke up in just some time, Sean was like, I'm leaving to the office. You have any work, I can drop you on the way. We are going by auto because his bike is in his office. He left it there yesterday because we went out yesterday. Plus I wanted to go by this electric auto from like a really long time, so I was like, okay, let's go by auto and not by car. So that's the whole thing. I don't know why I'm saying all this. Anyway, so it got super late by the time I got ready. I've carried my breakfast with me. I'm gonna have it right now in the auto. It's my protein oats. If you had seen my what I eat in a day, you'd know this is my breakfast every single day. I've just reached Express Avenue and I've come to Home Center. I'm actually looking for like a mirror, like a small mirror that you can keep on the table or something, so when people try out the accessories they can, you know, get an idea of how it looks or whatever. They have these type of wall hanging mirrors, but they don't have the kind of mirror I want. I was actually thinking I'll buy this one and then I'll buy a stand and then keep it, but they don't have a stand also. And this one I just can't buy and keep it anywhere, like it might break anytime. It's not safe. I changed my phone recently. I don't know if I mentioned that, but ever since I changed my phone, I've not been able to use my earphones because I have the lightning earphones. So I've come to the Apple store to buy the C-type earphones, and if I get that, I can use that for my laptop also. For my laptop currently I'm using the AirPods and I hate AirPods. I don't like it at all. Hello, after going to Home Center and not finding anything, I went to Smart Bazaar. I found a mirror there. It's a pink mirror, very cute. And then I came home. I went to Sushmita's office to get the, what is that stand called? Easel. Yeah, she has that. We thought we'll get a foam board or something and put it on that. So when people walk in, they can look at that and then they can find us. Now I'm at Sushmita's house. I'm checking out fabric. Instead of just displaying it just like that, I thought I can put like a fabric or something. Sushmita has a lot of fabrics. I was actually going to buy it, but then she told me she has some. I've taken a
even
green
the green
one.
is nice, no way, because you have that in your brand.
But ये थोड़ा shiny shiny.
So back
side वाला use कर सकते. So
Even
my
I
brand
use-
has green and pink, so I'm taking this green, and I think I'll take one white, na,
White
just in
is-
case.
See, you can keep white niche and the green can come in like this in the middle.
That's what I thought I'll do with the brown
Go
also.
to
मतलब.
brown. Brown एक छोटे section के लिए रख दो because it's not your color.
It's gold and ये ना पूरा neutral ही है ना,
ठीक
तो
है,
brown will
carry
also go. I'll just take it just in case.
Whatever works, take whatever works.
Yup. Chino. Hi, Chino.
See, that's all he missed me. Where's the bar?
Kitko. Kitko nani. Kitko nanu. Hi, bol. Kitkali. Simba, hi, bol. Hi. Hello, it's the next day. The previous day to the pop-up. I'm going to Adyar to my friend's studio. She basically has a pearl store. I even adopted my cats from her. Because she has a pearl store, she obviously has a lot of things where you can display your jewelry. So I'm going there to collect all those things, you know, to display my jewelry. I didn't want to spend all that. I mean, if I didn't have anybody, I would have spent, but because she's there and when I asked her long back if she can lend me, she's like, yeah, sure. And then I confirmed my pop-up and then I told her the traffic is crazy and it's only 4 o'clock, not even 4, 3:30. It's crazy traffic, so I took the longer route, and even the longer route has traffic. I usually never take the car during weekdays because of traffic, but today I had no other option, so I had to. So I planned in such a way that when I go out there won't be traffic, and when I come back also there won't be traffic. In the name of extending the road, they literally made a 4 4-lane road, and then as you keep going, the road shortens to 2-lane road. Now imagine the amount of traffic there will be, and that to a bridge. Just reached here. I'm taking this one for all the bracelets. I'm just removing everything and putting it aside, and then I'm taking this for the earrings, and then this entire thing for chain, for earrings, rings, and then chains, earrings, and etc, etc. Mostly I'm going for these kind of tones, like, you know, pinkish, creamish, beige, because my jewelry is also similar to that. I'm not able to do anything with these nails. It's hurting so bad. Somehow I've taken these two. I have this left. Okay, so another kitchen is like really close from my friend's studio. So I had to drop by. Like, it's been so long since I had Korean food. I think it's been over a month since I had Korean food. So I thought I'll just come here, and I've asked Sean to come from his office directly here. Until he comes, I'm thinking of, you know, like doodling or something, because yeah, I'm just sitting alone, so I thought I'll do something. I have my sketch and my notes over here. Okay, Sean's here, so I'm just gonna go enjoy my dinner. We've ordered the same thing, the usual tteokbokki and sundubu jjigae. I'm not gonna be vlogging because I want to enjoy my dinner. Hello, it's literally 12:20 right now, and we're just sticking all these price tags to the pieces like this, you know, so that tomorrow when people come and they are looking at the products, they know what price it is, instead of us going and fidgeting our phone and then giving them the price. That does not look so good. I'm so tired. Also, I got a PR package and they sent me some like really cool eyeliner, so I just tried it on this eye. Anyway, I have like so much to sort. That box is full of jewelry. I was hoping to go sleep early because tomorrow morning I have a shoot. It's a very small video. It'll take only like 15-20 minutes to shoot, and then 10-20 minutes to edit, and then I'll send it off. But I was really hoping to go to bed early so that I'll get good sleep. Hello, good morning. I'm so excited. It's finally pop-up day. Generally, I would be so anxious. Weirdly, I'm not nervous at all. I don't know why. I'm so pumped and I'm so excited. This is my first time hosting a pop-up or doing anything like this. So I'm so looking forward to it. We've gotten everything ready. I'm just waiting for Sean to get ready and come because he was out getting some things done. I think we'll probably leave in like 10-15 minutes. I'm so excited. I'm really sorry about the mess. These are all the things that we are carrying. This has to be loaded in the car. This is all the jewelry we have, like literally 4 boxes, but I'm very proud of my collection. Then we have some sheets to put on the floor to display the product, packing things, and then my bag, stickers. Rest of the things we didn't take out only because anyway there's no point in taking out and then loading it again. Let me show you my outfit. It's so corporate-y, it's so fancy. I love it. This is my outfit, this stunning vest, my skirt. It also has a slit on the side, and this is my footwear, and that's my bag. I look so corporate-y. I love it. Also, if you see any mess in the background, please ignore it. It's all cat's play toys and other stuffs. You'll find a lot of cardboard boxes in my house because Bullet likes to play in cardboard boxes, so we always make sure we have enough cardboard boxes for him to play. And then we have some other toys that Easy plays with, and she just like throws around here and there. Anyway, I'll see you guys in some time. We just got to Chicago. We're a little late as usual. I don't even want to get there. Like, I'm so embarrassed. I'm so annoyed by myself. Anyway, we're just setting up. This is the place we've been given. Sean is doing all the chains because I've got nails, and I'm doing all the earrings and all of that. So yeah. Finally, help has come.
I have come wearing gifts.
Thank you.
Thank you, love.
You huggies. You huggies. It's done. This is the collection. It's so pretty. It looks so gorgeous. We got yellow lilies. Hey, I can't believe this is mine. Who's come? Thank you so much for coming. She also brought me mangoes to snack on. Like, just look at it. Oh my god, my mouth is literally watering. Shah is here. she's my friend. We actually worked together for a shoot. I was a makeup artist back then. कितने साल हो गए? 2017, no? 2016.
Yeah.
Since 2016, 10 years, bro. You're like my family now. You're like my family now. Shopping is going on. Everybody is selecting pieces. So much has been sold out and I'm so happy. Hello, we finally wrapped up the pop-up at like 10:30, 10:45 and then we happened to meet one of our friends. So we were just standing and talking and finally I came home at 1 o'clock. I just removed my makeup, did my skincare and changed into my PJs. We are gonna literally have our dinner right now. Anyway, tomorrow again is gonna be a long day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. So good morning, it's the next day. I'm actually here at VR Chennai. I've come to check out some like top or dress for today's event. Like I have, but I want to wear something new. I don't want to wear something I already wore. So I went to H&M. I couldn't find anything that fits. And that was so weird because H&M always has my size and this time I couldn't find anything. So I'm here at Westside. This is the first one that I saw. It actually fits. I mean, it's slightly loose, but you can't really tell it's loose. But I think this is good. I can wear it with a nice skirt or something. Next is this one. I really love it. It's made out of linen. If only it fit, I would 100% bought this. Like it's so pretty. It was literally my last hope. It is so stunning. I love these kind of tops. If you can't tell already, but it's slightly loose and this one's XS. There's no smaller size than this. This would have looked so pretty. Yeah, so I really love this top but I don't know what to do. I'm thinking I'll get it and then I'll alter it somewhere nearby for now. I'm just waiting for Sean to come because I need my man to solve my problems. I'm not able to come at a decision. Hello, finally I found a shop. I got the top altered and that's what I'm wearing. It's so pretty. I love it. We are a little bit late because we were searching for tailors because it's Sunday and we couldn't find any. I found one near my house. Thankfully today the setup won't take as long as it took yesterday because a lot of the things we have it in the mannequin itself. So only few stuffs we have to put it in the mannequin and then set it up, and I also have the image of how I set it up yesterday. So hopefully today it won't take as long as it took yesterday. I'm so excited. I wore a red lip today because I'm wearing blue, so I thought red would complement. But I'm wearing the same jewelry. Just earring I changed. My hand stack is the same. Yup. Finally, second day we got the space and we are just setting it up. My friends are over there helping me out. Why should say hi? Khushi, say hi. Is also here. Arpita is here. Hi. This is the first time I'm meeting her.
Yeah.
Show me your bag.
Cute, no?
Cool. Paushali, say hi. She's come to visit my papa. We had so much crowd before this, I completely forgot to vlog. So stupid I am. Say hi. Flying kiss. Good morning. Show the calculator. Camera hit the calculator coming. You like it? Kuchu kavin ma. It's 5:30. I'm finally having my lunch. I don't know, I'm not sure if it's called pizza, but it looks like a pizza. I ordered for this vegan pizza. It's called Teresa. So fancy and so yummy. And the pop-up is going great. So many people came. So many of my friends came. I'm so happy. Done with day 2. It was so good. I can't believe I sold so many. Like I sold 80% of my stock. I can't believe it was so great. I just wrapped everything up. I came with 4 or 5 boxes. I'm going back with just 2 boxes. So grateful, so happy, so grateful to my friends. I couldn't have done this without my friends. Everybody who helped me, everybody who came, who shopped, and Sean, oh my god, he just simplified everything for me. Can't imagine doing any of this without him. I just got done with the pop-up, loaded everything in the car, and we are going home. It was such a successful and amazing pop-up. I'm so happy. Can't wait to have more pop-ups. Definitely. I loved interacting with everybody. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. If you did, you know the drill. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.